but it was at 9:10 p.m. when we started to receive a lot of patients with different kind of injury at the hospital.
A lot of patients with external fixators and things like that, them who'd obviously just had surgery. A lot of sober and shaken up people who were still checking on what was going on with their families in port, and were telling me, I lost a cousin, I lost so-and-so. Most everybody knew people who'd been killed in the earthquake.
Voilà que une petite secousse qui commencé. Et puis c'est comme ça gros secousse est venu fort pour nia. Les moi je me courir pour sortir dehors pendant que ouvrir porte là et puis moi entendais un bruit. Moi entendais un bruit qui fait boum et puis me camper pendant courir pour regarder ça qui fait bruit, c'est comme ça. Et puis même là me regarder béton et puis moi béton avance avec 5 cm. C'est comme ça me tomber, collègue qui avait dans me battant des brils, c'est comme ça. Moi fait près de 2-3 heures de temps, après 4 heures de temps, un collègue qui a brûlé ici, pas de monde, m'a béton. Pendant 3 heures, les aussi viennent tendre, mais pas de faire rien, on fait des marches. Moi fait nuit là.
It was all the night and the day after start to receive a lot of patients. So that time we receive help from every service in the hospital.
The biggest challenge on the first day was coping with just literally buses and buses of patients rolling in, and where do you put them and how do you cope. There was very much a spirit of let's pull together and deal with this for our people.
L'hôpital de Chapelle, mal de Chapelle. En fait que moi pas regrette parce que non seulement j'ai une meilleure hypothèse et yo prend soin. En fait, censé tout le monde de Chapelle, c'est une famille pour moi. Vraiment l'hôpital là yo prend soin. Enfin, c'est comme de son famille qui blanc qui est haïtien que yo te prend comme.
Even though now we don't receive a lot of patients coming from the earthquake, but there was a need for giving limbs to this kind of patients. So they are very glad to receive them. Now they start working again. It's really for them a very good thing, good dream. So when you didn't know if you were able to work again, now it's like a miracle for them.
If people can agree with us that we need to keep an adequate staff here, an adequate bench stock of supplies, the system's not in place, there won't be anybody there to respond. And we know that things happen in Haiti. So even a small donation, when it all chips together and helps make sure that the hospital is there and functions, that little donation is the one that saves lives in the golden hour.